Hey everybody, I wanted to do a video on the next project that I got started. I actually got this kit for Christmas from my girlfriend, and I started working on it while we were all sitting around on Christmas Day hanging out, and I was working on it then. I actually got it primed and everything like that, so I'm actually kind of far ahead on it from where I'm going to show you guys at. I've always liked this kit. I thought it was a pretty cool kit. It was one of those kits I was always, well, I probably will get it next time, and never end up getting it. But she ended up finding it at a hobby store that she went to shopping for me and got it for me, and I'm glad she did. It went together very well. See, I thought all these were the same guy, but they're actually different from the Weirdos. This is the Von Franco, and then the Weirdos is the other guy. They all look so close together. They're well before my time, but they don't lose cool. If you like cars, these are always going to be for a car guy. So let me show you the inside of where I'm at. So there's the body. Now the engine's just kind of mocked up. It's not glued except for the two halves of the engine. There's the actual base chassis. None of this is glued either. I'm going to do some dry brushing. There is the actual figure guy. He sure looks mean. Got some big teeth. I'm going to do a lot of dry brushing on that. Here's his actual hand. About 7 pieces to that hand. And this is where it'll actually meet the windshield. So it'll sit in there. I had it in the other day. It's being complicated right now. This here is his other hand. It would be grabbing the steering wheel. The steering wheel is actually too small for that big hand. I'll show you here in a second, but we'll see more once it's done. This is the steering wheel. Quite small. And compare that to his hand. These are the cool parts. These are the exhaust pipes. They actually stand on it, and then this is off fire, so I'm going to have to brush that. So they'll actually sit like that. They'll be pulling a wheelie. The big shifter. I'll be doing some airbrushing and weathering. Most of this stuff's going to be airbrushed, dry brushed. So I'm going to mostly have a kind of a dull look to it, except for the body's going to be high gloss, and then the motor's going to have that metallic shine to it. But his arms and all that are going to be flat. The shifter, the linkage is going to be that silver. The handle, I'm probably going to try to do a wood look. I might do a glossy so it looks like it has a varnish on it. The mufflers, I'll probably do a little bit of heat look to it. And the flames are going to be dry brushed and airbrushed. This is the wheels for it. I am going to do a wash on them to give them that depth look. I don't think I'm going to paint them black. I haven't decided yet on that. For the decals that come in this kit, there you go. So these are the side doors. You got some moon eyes. I think the moon eyes go up towards the front. Off the pictures. Well, you can put them anywhere you want. You got some Von Franco emblems. I don't know where those go. I think they're all options for you. I'm sure that goes on the back. probably go like that, or you can do that. And then Stoned Hoods and Crooks, probably go on that door. But it's a really cool kit. I'm having a lot of fun so far. We'll see how it goes. But that was one thing I did get for Christmas. I'm going to have another video after this one showing you all my Christmas gifts that I was given. I did very well. So hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Till then, you guys have a good one.